I'm often asked by clients, how has COVID-19 impacted the manner in which business lawsuits get decided in the courts? This is a very timely and important question because business lawsuits oftentimes are urgent, especially for the clients. Clients would like a fast and hopefully efficient resolution of their business disputes. During this pandemic, unfortunately, that's not what we've been getting. During the pandemic, the courts have limited the number of proceedings, limited their availability for safety issues, and also, most importantly, reduced the amount of jury trials, and in fact suspended jury trials at times, so that now cases are being conducted. It's taking a longer time to have these cases decided, and you're not getting your right to the jury trial that you usually had before the pandemic hit. What that means is parties now are looking a little bit more to ADR. What is ADR? ADR is alternative dispute resolutions. It can be arbitration, it can be mediation. It's a way for business parties to resolve their business disputes, and it's very important, and it can be a way that works for the parties to get things done in an efficient manner during this pandemic emergency that we're going through. The other thing, the impact it's had is in the event you have what you believe to be an emergent matter, if you have to bring an injunction to the court, you have now, unfortunately, a more restricted way to do it, so that if you're going to have an emergent matter, you better make sure that if you're going to take up the court's time and you're going to come into court with everyone wearing masks and the judge wearing masks and the staff being there, you want to make sure that your emergent matter is truly emergent. You don't want to go in if it's something that is just routine. The final impact we've seen has been on the way we prepare our witnesses for these trials. Witness preparation is oftentimes, it's going to decide whether you win or lose the case. How your witnesses prepare themselves, how your witnesses present themselves, are they being credible? Are they telling their story in a clear and concise manner? When we go to court now and everyone was wearing masks, it makes it more difficult for the parties to tell their story, because it's hard to tell a witness's credibility when the witness's face, his mouth, is covered up. It's hard for the judge to decide whether that witness is believable. It also impacts the manner in which you tell the story, and it can impact the way exhibits are presented. So we have to have a more clear and concise way of telling our stories, and courts are insisting that when the parties come, it's even more important that the parties be prepared and that we not waste the court's time and expose the staff to the dangers of this pandemic. It's been a significant impact, really unprecedented. Thank you.